Hello everyone, my name is Julie Mishra. I am a part of NEC Institute. I heard Gautam sir is going to start online classes of English. So guys, go and please join this English classes. This is a very good opportunity to all of you to learn fluent English from home. Thank you sir.
Hello everyone, myself Aisha. I want to inform you that online classes start by Mr. Gautam sir from NEC Institute.
Hello everyone, this is Priya Sandali from Bihar. As we know that our future is dark without a spoken English, and we also know that nowadays English is become international language which is used in all over the world. So we should improve in our spoken English for our bright future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Aman Kumar. I have completed my English spoken classes from NEC Institute. I heard sir is going to start online English spoken classes on YouTube channel, so you can utilize your time in lockdown to learn something about English spoken classes. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Priyade and I'm a student of NS Institute. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Gautam sir who gave me opportunity for speaking something about online English classes. Well, we all know that English is very important for us, and earlier I don't know how to speak in English, but now I am very confident and I can speak in front of public. This is all happened with the help of, with the support of Mr. Gautam sir. So guys, if you want to improve yourself, your communication skills, your body language, please join NS Institute Sector 6 and I am damn sure you learn something from them. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, want to do something different in your life? So, as we know, in this corporate world, English speaking with the confidence is the preferential need in every employer. So, for fluent English and want to build a confidence in you, you can join NEC Institute online classes for English. I'm also a student of NEC Institute and had a great experience in learning English. Glad to know that sir started online classes for the students who need this in this lockdown period, and utilize your time in best. Stay home, stay safe. All the best to you all.
Yay learners want to learn smart English speaking in this business running world. So secure your seat in NEC Institute. I am delightful here to sharing with you. Gautam sir started online English speaking classes. So want to learn something curious in English, you can join and secure your seat in this English. Staying home, staying safe and keep learning.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaushal Jha and I am a student of NEC Institute. Today I heard Gautam sir is going to start the online classes, so it is a good news for us. You can also join the online English classes. Thank you, that's all.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Mato. We are living 21st century. There is a lots of competition guys, and English language is universal language. We should learn it. There is the online classes of NEC Institute Bhiwadi by Gautam sir. You can learn lots of things there. There are the motivational videos and personality development videos also. Thank you sir for this initiative.
Hello everyone, I am Aminder Shekhawat of class 10th, have taken English spoken classes from NEC Institute. But due to lockdown, we have faced some problem. We are not able to take classes. So our founder Gautam Chaudhary has suggested way to take online classes. So by this, our problem has been solved and we can utilize our time also by this. So you also take online class and utilize your time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sachin Singh, a BCA final year student and also the student of NEC. I have been NEC in the year 2019, but since long time due to my busy schedule, I was not in connection with the NEC Institute. But today as I come to know that NEC has started online classes, I immediately joined and request all of you to join NEC classes, because we know that hard work is the key to success, but there is a little change in NEC schedule, that if hard work is the key to success, then donkey would be the king of animals. So they have come up with the innovative formula that hard work plus smart work. This formula really works and is equal to success.
Hello everyone, I am Ashish Singh and I am a student of NEC Institute. I have heard that Gautam sir is going to start online English classes, so it's good for us to join from our home. I am thankful to Gautam sir for this initiative. We should join these classes to improve our English and our communication skill. This is very important for us.
Hello everyone, my name is Shakti Singh Shekhawat. I am a student of NEC Institute Bhiwadi. Through this video, I would like to inform you that NEC founder Gautam sir is going to start first online batch for English speaking. So you can join the classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rupa Agarwal. I am a housewife and I am a student of NS Institute of Bhiwadi with Gautam sir.
Hello everyone, Rishi here. So as you noted the importance of English language, if you want to survive in a commercial world, English language will help you to interact with people. So I want to suggest you to buy the online classes of NEC Institute.
Hello guys, this is Ankit Tiwari and I am pursuing my graduation BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, and I was a student of NEC Institute Bhiwadi with Gautam sir. Guys, as you know, in today's world the competition is very high, and to face the competition you have a good personality, and for a good personality you should have the knowledge about the English, the grammar, the things of English. As I came to know that our Gautam sir, the owner of NEC Institute, started online classes of English. So guys, go and join the NEC Institute Bhiwadi, the best institute in Bhiwadi, NEC Institute for English as well as the commerce. So guys, for what you are waiting for, go and join NEC Institute. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Saxena. I am a housewife. I am a student of NEC Institute. I have learned so many things from Mr. Gautam sir. Unfortunately, our classes has been discontinued because of lockdown. But I am so glad to know that sir is starting online classes. I suggest please join to NEC online classes. It will be useful to ourselves. Thank you. Stay home. Be safe.
Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Mishra, studying in class 12th. I have taken English spoken classes from NEC Institute. Due to lockdown, we all have to face some problem. That's why our teacher Gautam sir suggested us idea to take online classes from YouTube channel NEC Institute. Due to this, the problem is solved and we have taken online classes. Thank you sir for giving us such a good idea.
Hi everyone, I am Sangeeta Sharma. I want to inform you that online classes will be started by Gautam sir. I will be joining this institute, such really a good institute. I have learned more many things and I want to share my opinion. Everyone have joined us and improve your knowledge and skill. And at last I want to inspiring thoughts. A mountain is not higher than our confidence. It is our feet if we reach the top. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, myself Rekha Goswami and a part of NCC Institute where Gautam sir has started online classes for spoken English. If you want to improve your spoken English, you should join the institute and make the lockdown period valuable. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.